Hello, you're welcome to BRAINX TV. This is the channel that is dedicated to ensuring that learners understand the basic concepts of mathematics so that we can together say that mathematics is the easiest subject ever. Alright, today we have this question to solve. It reads, calculate the area of the trapezium below. So this is our trapezium. Now, we're writing a formula down. And the formula for finding the area of a trapezium is 1/2 times the sum of parallel lines times the height. Now, if you look at the diagram, which of the sides are the parallel sides? Now, line AB and line DC form the parallel lines. We know that parallel lines are lines that move in the same direction but do not meet or do not cross paths. Okay. So, AB and DC are the parallel sides over here. Now, we have now gotten the parallel sides. Now the height. The height, AB forms the height of the trapezium. But we're not giving the value for the height. Alright. And a trapezium is actually a compound shape. That means it contains two or more simple shapes. We're going to separate or I'm going to break the trapezium down to get the simple shapes that are in the trapezium. Okay, so you can see that we can trace B down into the line BC. So we can form a rectangle here and a triangle over here. Alright. Now, we're going to use this triangle to help us find the height of the trapezium. Now, the length of BC is 57 meters. So, as we have divided the shape into two, this side forms a rectangle. And we know that the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So, if AB is 47 meters, then let's note here with Q. Then BQ will also be 47 meters. Alright, so here we have 47 meters. But BC is 57. So, if BQ is 47 meters, that means that QC becomes 10 meters. That's all you can understand. Alright, now this is a right angle triangle. This line over here forms 90 degrees with the base over here. This is a right angle triangle. We're going to apply PYTHAGORAS theorem to help us find the height of the triangle. Alright, now let us take this triangle out and work it out. So the hypotenuse, so this is B, Q, and C. Alright. The hypotenuse is 26 meters and the base here is 10 meters. Alright. Then per the PYTHAGORAS theorem, it says that the square of the longest side, which is the hypotenuse, should be equal to the sum of the squares of the adjacent and the opposite. So, PYTHAGORAS theorem says that the hypotenuse square is equal to the opposite square plus the square of the adjacent. Now, from our diagram, the hypotenuse is 26 meters and the opposite is 10 meters. So, we have to find the adjacent, which is BQ. So, we now get 26 square is equal to opposite square is plus. Let's use it to represent the adjacent as it is. Alright. Now 26 squared is equal to 676 equals 10 squared equals 100 plus the adjacent square. Is that you get it? Alright, now to find the value of A over here, we are going to do like terms. So we transpose 100 to the left hand side. Alright. So we get 676 minus 100 equals A squared. Now 676 minus 100 is equal to 576 to be equal to A squared. Now because of the square, to find the value of a, we're going to find the square root of both sides so that we're able to find the value of a. We find the square root of 576 and the square root of a. Alright. Now the square root of 576 is 24. The 24 equal, the square root of a squared is equal to a. Therefore, a is equal to 24 meters. That means we should bring it over here. The height of the triangle over here is 24 meters. We now have the height of the trapezium. Now we can find the area of the trapezium. So let me understand it. If at this point you got some value in this video, please do want to subscribe to BRAINX TV, like the video, and share the video links so that together we can learn mathematics with ease. Alright, so let's do this. So coming back to our formula, we are going to get 1 over 2 times the parallel sides as we indicated were AB and BC. Please don't get confused with DQ. Alright, we only divided the shape into 2 to help us find the height, and then the base of the shape is BC. We use the length BC, which is 57 meters. This will give us 1 over 2 times 47 plus 57 times the height, which is now given us 24. So times 24. Give us 1 over 2 times 47 plus 57 is equal to 104. So times 104 times 24. Alright, now because 2 is a denominator, so you can divide either 104 or 24. Please, any of them that you divide by 2 will still be the same answers. Okay, I'm going to divide 2. I'm going to divide 104 by 2. 104 divided by 2 is equal to 52. So we now get 52 times 24. Alright, now let's use let's apply any of the principles of multiplying numbers. Okay, let's use the lattice method. Alright, so we're going to get so we have 52 times 24. Alright, please, we have a video on the lattice method in the playlist, so do want to check up on it to get more insights in how to apply the method of the lattice method. Alright, thank you. So let's continue. Now, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. You write 0, 4. Now 2 times 5 is equal to 10. Write 1 and 0. Now come back to the 4. 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So you get 0, 8. Then 4 times 5 is equal to 20. So 2 and 0. Now after here, we are going to add up diagonally. So in the first diagonal here we have 8. So write out 8 down. And in this diagonal we add everything up. 4 plus 0 is 4, plus another 0 is 4. Write out 4 down. Now 0 plus 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. You get 2. And 1, you bring it down. So our answer is equal to 1,248 squared meters. Please don't forget to write it in square. I hope you understand it. So this is the end of our solution to our question. Please do well to replay the video to understand it very well. See you in our next videos. Bye.